Now let's go ahead and talk about Arizona for a second because of our smoke analysis showing us across southern Utah, light to moderate smoke near St. George right now up towards Cedar City. And that's coming from some fires in Arizona. And then for central Utah, some light smoke. But overall, our smoke is so much better than it was last week. For Tuesday and Wednesday, I want to point out that our air quality will be at the orange level. So unhealthy for sensitive groups, mandatory action just like today. Our ozone is at that orange level currently here in Salt Lake County. Our PM 2.5 is currently good, so it's a switch from our winter problem, but the ozone becomes the main problem in the summer. Now temperatures right now about 90 to 95, and down in southern Utah, our temperatures for St. George 105. So it is hot here across the state currently. Now the last 7 days, speaking of hot temperatures, last Tuesday was that 107, which tied the hottest temperature we've ever had here in Salt Lake City. An average high for today, 86 degrees. We have been trending about 10 degrees above average this month. So today, 94 has been our high, normal high 86, record high 104 for today. Tomorrow, we are close to record temperatures again. And for St. George, you're in the triple digits till about 9 o'clock tonight. So it will be a hot evening in St. George. For Salt Lake, we'll be in the 90s for a few more hours. And then by 9 o'clock, we'll be in the upper 80s, low 80s by 10 p.m. Satellite and radar here across the state is pretty dry, and it will remain pretty dry for the next couple of days with an increased chance for some moisture middle of the week. I'll get to that in a second, but right now what we're seeing, a few scattered high base showers south of I-70 down towards Capitol Reef and Bryce Canyon. But the problem over the next couple of days is we're so dry at the surface. These are mostly going to be dry thunderstorms across the region. So our wind right now is gusting Evanston, Price, Cedar, and St. George about 25 to 30 miles per hour. Overnight temperatures around 60 to 75 degrees. So when you wake up tomorrow morning, this will be the time to get outside. Number one, we have our UV index for tomorrow at the highest level, at an extreme level, and then our temperatures tomorrow will remain back in the hundreds. So for Salt Lake 101, 96 for Provo at 5 p.m. tomorrow, 100 degrees for St. George. So it's going to be another hot day here across the region. Plus the increased moisture middle of the week, especially along the highest terrain, and then into northeastern Utah by Thursday and into early Friday. But the afternoon storms will be spreading from south to north. It'll be high base showers and thunderstorms that'll be possible. Little to no precipitation. That's the key point here with some gusty winds. And then once we add some dry lightning, that could be starting wildfires, so creates some additional concerns. Rain projection over the next 7 days, very minimal here across the region. We're looking at about 1/10 of an inch of rain after everything is said and done. But temperatures for St. George 101 for tomorrow, 90s for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, back into the triple digits by Saturday, close to 105 by Sunday. For Salt Lake City, we are low 100s tomorrow, mid-90s for Wednesday, and by Thursday, 87, 88 for Friday. There's your cool zone, back into the 90s Saturday, Sunday, triple digits next Monday.